What's going on, everybody? I just got in a new item for my Avata 2. It's by Wi-Fi. I don't know if you can see it, but it's some LED lighting that goes around it. And I'm going to check it out and show you guys. All right. Okay, so the installation is actually really easy. Comes in the box. The two sides are separate. You have to, I don't know if you can see it, but there's that little clip right there. They give you double-sided tape. You applied it to the Avata. It's got the right angle on it. Double-sided, stick it to it, and that's where this power clip is going to end up going, okay? That's with the clip in place where it's supposed to be. Now, this is the additional part that goes on the Avata. Each side, what I'm told and what I read, each side has a battery. So there's your on and off. I'll show you that in a minute. But anyway, it just goes around the edge of the Avata, basically like a guard. And you clip it in place. Make sure it's clipped good. And there's a middle piece here also, which I don't know you can see. That clips up on top through here and holds that in place. So that's what it looks like with the clip in place. And like I said, it clips through the bottom. Holds everything in place. And you have your clips that go around here. No problems with the props hitting. They don't hit at all. There's no hitting. They tell you to check them to make sure, but they're pretty far away from where they have to be. And that wire, like I said, that clip. And that's where that clip is. Okay. Has no problems with the gimbal guard. No problems going on and off. I have more of a problem than it does. No problem. Gimbal on, gimbal guard on. No problem. Okay, so let's check out the lighting. Okay, so I want to show you also, this is the charging port. It's just a regular type C. I don't know how long it takes to charge up. I haven't charged it up fully yet, but they say that the run time should be around 50 minutes or so. So when I take it out for the first time, I'm going to find out, and I will update everybody when that happens. Okay. So to turn it on, you have your power button right here. And like most things, press it and hold it, and it will turn on the lights. Okay. That's one mode right there. There's 7 different colors. I'll go through them with you right now. There's the green. There's the blue. Yellow. Pink or purple. Teal. And white. Red. That should be it. Yep, that's it. Actually, I'm going to shut the lights off where I am and show you without the lights. Okay, so here we go in the dark. Let's fire it up. Okay, there's the green. Turn it this way so you see it better. Green, blue, yellow, purple, teal, white, red, back to the green. Now the different modes that you can put it in are, you have this regular pulse, and you got your chase, is what I would call it. And again, you can switch all the colors, whatever you like. Then the next mode is, I believe, like a run type thing. Yep. Again, you can switch the colors. This is your just changing colors automatically, like through a little pulse. Then you have your rainbow effect, chasing around the edges. And then your solid, stay on whatever color you want. Again, those are all the colors. They're all pretty bright, I have to say that. I think that's the last option. Oh, and an on and off. It does pulse like that. Yeah, and there's your regular, the first one, the pulse. Anyway, that is my demonstration. I kind of like them. I think it's going to be pretty cool to fly it around. Even during the day, it's pretty bright. But I think at night, it's going to be really cool too. So I'll make another video when I fly it around at night so you guys can see that. But anyways, hope you guys like it. And hope you all are doing good and staying safe and healthy. Talk to y'all later. Peace.